They love to receive. They love to acquire. Here in the book of John in chapter 6, verse 25 to 26, when they found him on the other side of the sea, they said to him, Rabbi, when did you come here? Jesus answered them, Truly, truly, I say to you, you are seeking me not because you saw signs, but because you ate your fill of the loaves. Yung pala ang dahilan. Bakit may mga tao sa panahon ni Jesus na hinahanap siya, kaliwat kanan, baba at taas, malayo at malapit, hanap sila ng hanap kay Jesus. At nung nasumpungan nila si Jesus na rin ang nagsabi ng kanilang tunay na dahilan at layunin bakit nila hinahanap siya. Ang sabi niya, hinahanap niyo ako sapagkat kayo ay nangabusog. Jesus Christ knew those people. Their hearts was not after really Him. They saw Jesus more as a supplier and they are the consumer. So many people today are not really interested about Jesus and what He is teaching and who He really is. They just want things. They just want, as the Americans say, stuff. They want stuff. Ang gusto nila ay mga pangangailangan at doon sila nagtatapos. Now, don't get me wrong. Please, God cares, Jesus cares, He wants to heal you, He wants to provide for you, He wants to enrich you, He wants to give you everything you essentially needed. But Jesus has a reason for blessing us so that we can get to know more about Him. We do not stop or we do not start and stop being recipients of His blessings. Doon tayo nagpapasimula, oo, at hindi dapat doon tayo magtapos. Patuloy nating hanapin na makilala ang Panginoong Jesus. And Jesus definitely was not after seasonal followers. Sa panahon niya, maraming mga tao ang sa ilang panahon ay sumusunod sa Panginoong Jesus. Subalit nung kanilang lubusang nakilala ang iniaaral ng Panginoong Jesus, sila'y tumigil, huminto, at hindi na sila nagsisunod sa Panginoong Jesus. In the book of John chapter 6, verse 66, after this, many of His disciples turned back and no longer walked with Him. Seasonal disciples, seasonal followers. They only follow Jesus as long as it is convenient to them. Habang maalwan, habang ang pagsunod at pagdilingkod sa Panginoong Jesus ay umaayon sa kanilang gusto. At iyon ay sumasang-ayon sa kanilang kaisipan, sila'y susunod. Subalit pag hindi na nila maunawa at hindi na nila makita na ang kanilang kagustuhan at ang kanilang kaisipan ang nasusunod, sila'y humihinto at sila'y tumitigil. Maraming mga tao ang ganyan. Na kapag lubusang makilala nila ang itinuturo ng Panginoong Jesus sa iglesia ng Panginoon, sila'y humihinto. Hindi sila nagpapatuloy. I would like to address those of you who are new believers and who are now members of the PMCC Fourth Watch. What we teach, our doctrines, our teachings are all about Jesus, and they are in agreement with the teachings of Jesus. Some of these teachings may not be something that you right away agree with, or something that you may not right away understand, but do not stop. Keep going. Keep going. Magpatuloy ka lang at iyong mauunawa ang lubos ang kalooban at plano at katuruan ng Panginoong Hesus para